This video will demonstrate the recommended process for coffee brewing. Begin each brew cycle with a clean empty brew funnel. Insert a bund filter. Pour or grind fresh coffee into the filter and level the bed of grounds by lightly shaking. Slide the brew funnel into the funnel rails until it's secured. Place an empty server under the brew funnel. Verify that the Enable Brew On-Off indicator is on. Momentarily press and release the assigned brew switch. The display screen will read, "Now brewing," and to show the time remaining in the brew cycle. Following the brew will be a countdown of drip time. The display screen will read, "Dripping," and will show time remaining. Carefully remove the brew funnel and discard the grounds and filter only after visible dripping has stopped.